so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Today I'm coming at you with a Lush bath bomb video, and these are all of the new bath bombs that came out very recently. I'm so excited. I've not smelt any of these. This is a complete first impressions and I hope you guys enjoy. I don't have the prices of them, so if any of you guys know the prices, please leave them down below for other people because I can't remember how much they were, I'm not gonna lie. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. So the first bath bomb I have to share with you is this one. This is the Comforter, which, oh my gosh, smells amazing. Obviously smells like the classic comforter scent, which is so good. It's like blackcurranty, it's really lovely. So this bath bomb has something called Cassis Absolute, I think that's how you pronounce it, which I believe is that blackcurranty smell. But it's amazing, and I love the texture of it, like it's all bubbly, so cute. Next up we have a classic which came out for Christmas, I believe it was 2 years ago, and that is Yog Nog. Now Yog Nog Bath Bomb basically smells like toffee and caramel, and it smells like you'd want to eat it. Oh my goodness, it's so good. And inside here are chunks of cocoa butter, so it makes your bath so soft. That went into my nostril. This is so good though, but the only thing I don't like about this one is it does make your bath water look like you've peed in it. Other than that, this one is so good, and I don't know whether you can get your hands on this anymore, but it's so nice. If you can, pick up about 10 of these. Trust me, it's so good. The next one is So White, and again, this one did come out a few years ago, although they've taken the green leaf off now and it's just white, which is a bit of a shame, but I do really like it. Obviously, this smells like apples, like fresh, crisp, green apples. It's so good. There is literally bath bomb dust just like flying about. This is honestly amazing. So something really interesting which I've just read on the ingredients is this one contains soya milk powder, which I've never heard in a bath bomb before, but I could be wrong. But this one just smells like apples. I love it. Yes, so good. The next one is a brand new one, and I have no idea what this smells like. This is called Melusin. I have no idea. I cannot pronounce it. This one smells very familiar, and I can't pinpoint what that is. This one has olibanum oil in it, which I'm pretty sure a bath bomb has had in before, but I can't pinpoint it. It's kind of like slightly citrusy, I think. I think my nose is broken, I don't know. But this smells amazing. It also looks very cool. So it's got glitter on it, but it looks like it has scales on it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not in the camera, but it's got little scales on it, and it's really cool. Very excited to see what that looks like in the water. I forget how messy Lush hauls are. I've got dust everywhere. What is that one? Oh my goodness, what is that? Ooh. The next one I believe is called Calavera. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like it says. Oh my goodness. That smells like Collis. Yes, then. Yeah, favourite so far. So good. Basically like lime fruit pastels, but not. Oh my goodness, that's going on my face. That one is so cool, and it has like little colours sort of swirling around. I don't know if you guys can see it all around, but that smells amazing. That's definitely my favourite so far. Love that. The next one is called Marshmallow World, and this one again has that very sort of similar swirly design to it. What is that smell? Hang on. That is like a throwback. Hang on a minute. Do you remember the melting marshmallow moment from Lush, like the old one that was like big and chunky? I feel like that's this smell. It's not Snow Fairy. It's like a softer baby powder version, if that makes sense. That is so good though. Yeah, I love that. That's quite sweet, but it's not, it's like a baby powder sweet. So it's really yummy. I love that one. Next up we have Tender is the Night, and this is a fragrance which they have used before. I'm pretty sure it was a massage bar, maybe a perfume as well, I can't remember, but this definitely was a massage bar. But this one's really pretty. It's pink and white. And it just smells like Tender is the Night massage bar, so it's like a really light jasmine-y, creamy smell to it, and I can see there's like chunks of cocoa butter inside. Yeah, that one's going to be really pretty. Do let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see any Lush demos, because I did one once and it kind of went down quite well. However, I feel like it's a kind of hit or miss, like not everybody really wants to see them, so let me know. And if you don't really want to see them, or if you do, let me know where you want to see them so I can do them on my Instagram if you'd rather, so let me know down below because that'll be fab. Next up is the reinvented Blackberry Bath Bomb, and again I love the texture of this, like it actually looks like a blackberry. And it smells like Blackberry Bath Bomb. It's so good. I love this fragrance so much. I was gutted when they took it away, but yeah, not much I can say about this one. It is very sweet and very like musty almost, like I don't know how to describe it because it doesn't smell like fruit at all. It's just a classic Lush scent in my eyes, but I love that. So nice. The next bath bomb is the Olive Branch, and again this one was obviously taken off of another product, so the shower gel. That one almost smells better than the shower gel, like it's slightly different. It's almost like the Olive Branch shower gel mixed with Collis fragrance, like it's very different, I don't know. So good though, I actually really like that. Really fresh, but definitely smells like Collis in some points. I think maybe it touched the other one, I don't know, but that's so nice. Yeah, love that. I feel like I'm just saying they're all so nice, but there's not really many Lush fragrances I don't like, so yeah, love that one. The next one I was so excited about, and I got so many comments on a video about this because it is one of my favourite fragrances and I've not smelt it yet and I'm buzzing, and this is the Yuzu and Cocoa Bath Bomb. I'd expected it to be yellow, not gonna lie. Oh, yeah, that's so nice. That is a classic Yuzu and Cocoa fragrance, like it's really nice. It's like chocolate orangey, and it looks like, oh okay, I get it. I think it's supposed to look like an orange. What an idiot. No, I really like that. 10 out of 10. The next one was inspired by some soap, and that is the Golden Pear Bath Bomb. This is very similar to the soap, so it's cut in half, cocoa butter in the middle, and it smells exactly the same as the soap, so it's really, really lovely. However, mine has crumbled a little bit, so I'm going to be very, very careful, but yeah. Not much I can say about this one. I'm kind of glad it's not got too much glitter on it because I think that would be too much, but yeah, absolutely love that. So nice. So the next one is also inspired by a piece of soap, and that is the Honey I Wash the Kids. And again, this smells exactly like the soap. It's so good. Very, very sweet, but I can tell this is going to be moisturising. It's got chunks of cocoa butter in it, so it's going to make your bath so, so smooth and lovely. Obviously, we used to have the Honeybee Bath Bomb, which smelled the same, so yeah. Very, very nice though. Do you like that one? And last but definitely not least is another bath bomb, and this is the one that I've been looking forward to the absolute most. And this is, oh my goodness, going everywhere. The God Is a Woman Bath Bomb. I've not smelt it yet, but oh, that smells nice. What is that? That's quite a like, I don't know. It's got quite a like woody smell. Oh my gosh, there's glitter everywhere. Okay, that is going back in the bag because that is going to make my whole entire room sparkly and purple. However, that one smells so lovely. So I absolutely loved all of those. I think my two favourites would be the Calavera one and the Marshmallow one. So, so good. Absolutely loved them both. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you ordered any of these and which one is your favourite. I would love to know. Don't forget to subscribe because at the moment we are so close to 8,000 and it's insane. So do subscribe down below and let me know what you have. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will see you very soon.